All right, y'all, welcome to another day out here working on the cargo. Today's objective, you see this back door, it folds down towards us. Now our idea here is to allow that door to come down and have that serve as like a patio so we can kind of chill out on that space. In order for that to happen, we need to put legs on the back here. Boom and boom. I've got my mechanical leg here, which is going to get mounted up on the wall, the back of this trailer. I'm thinking right there. Something like this. Just like that. And now we have 1 and 2. Fully secured to the trailer. Caulked all along the seams. So now, when we're ready to sit down and lay this back, pull this down, flip it up. And there we go. 2 legs. Comes down, then we have a patio. Envision it, guys. Imagination.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and